Well, yesterday was all about Mexico and Canada. Those tariffs delayed at least a month. Diageo, though, on its earnings call, still citing tariffs for weak performance. Roughly half of Diageo's U.S. sales coming from imports from Mexico and Canada. The company remaining cautious around EU tariffs on American whiskey, too. Those go back into effect on March 31st. But it's not just Diageo. Constellation Brands cut guidance earlier this year. It could see tariffs hit operating income by over 30%, some analysts estimate. So what do the next 30 days of negotiation actually look like for the spirits industry? Well, the president of one Kentucky-based distillery on Squawk Box this morning saying he expects an uptick in orders.
Especially with the 30-day suspension of the American tariffs on Mexican products and on Canadian products, I think you're going to see a lot more stocking up.
Now, the question is, will stockpiled supply make it to shelves? 3 Canadian provinces already started removing American labels yesterday in retaliation. Today, bottles are supposed to go back on shelves, but the Premier of British Columbia saying there's no huge rush to restock. And I'd remind our viewers, too, it's not just Jack Daniels and Jim Beam. This is a big private investment space. George Clooney's Casamigos, he sold to Diageo in 2017. Dwayne Johnson's Terramana. Matthew McConaughey has his Kentucky Bourbon. Even Snoop Dogg and Martha Stewart's wine, 19 Crimes. Experts telling me on the phone the industry is far less capable of absorbing costs, and consumers should be on the lookout for price hikes as we go throughout the year. Carl.